Moving into an apartment or rental property with your new roomie? That's awesome! There are lots of benefits to living with a roommate. You get to split the cost of rent, utilities, maybe even groceries. But should you split the cost of renter's insurance? Let's look at how to add a roommate to your renter's insurance policy and how doing so may impact your coverage. Adding a roommate to your policy is pretty simple. First, make sure you're both listed on the lease, meaning no subletters or couch surfers. Second, do some research around the rules on sharing a policy with someone who isn't related to you. The guidelines can vary by state. Your local American Family Insurance agent is a great source for more information. Third, have your agent walk you through the process and send you updated policy documents. In many cases, you can add your roommate to your policy with no cost, but you should double-check with your agent. While this process is pretty simple, it's important to understand the risks that come with it. For example, all insurance policies have coverage limits, which is the maximum amount of money an insurance company will pay you in the event your things are damaged, destroyed, or stolen. When you add a roommate to your policy, your coverage limit does not increase. Instead, it's split between the two of you, meaning all your things together might not be fully protected. To make sure you are both fully covered, create a home inventory list of all your belongings and what they're worth. If that total number is more than your current coverage limits, you may not be fully protected. If that's the case, you may need to increase your coverage limit, which might increase your insurance premium. Before adding a roommate to your policy, it's a good idea to ask them about their claims history. If they've filed a large number of claims in the past, it could impact your eligibility to get a renter's policy or increase what you currently pay. Speaking of claims, let's take a look at how the claims process changes when you put your roomie on your policy. If you share a policy with your roommate, the reimbursement check will be made out to both of you. Even if only your belongings need to be repaired or replaced, your roommate would still have to co-sign the check before you can deposit it. And did you know that any claims made on your policy will go on your personal insurance history? That includes claims your roommate makes even if your belongings weren't part of the claim. Your personal insurance history can affect your future premiums, and past claims could mean paying more for insurance in the future. So, sharing a renter's policy with your roommate might save you a few bucks, but it comes with some pretty significant consequences. On the other hand, most renter's policies are really affordable, about the cost of one delivery pizza per month. If you and your roommate each get your own policy, it might cost a little bit more, but it can bring greater peace of mind. Maybe split the cost of that delivery pizza with your roommate instead. Still not sure if you want to share your policy or maintain separate policies? Visit amfam.com or contact your American Family Insurance agent for more helpful information about renter's insurance, the claims process, and so much more.
American Family Insurance.